So brother, here you see, fi came. Direct maf'ulun bihi did not come. Fi came. Ibadi, what is ibadi? It's a group of people. My servants. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is now inviting the nafs that you did very well in your test in this dunya. You remain pious. You are kind, honest. You are honest, you are kind, you are obedient to your parents, you are helpful to your brothers and sisters and the needy. You also perform your salat and pay your zakat. So now you enter. Enter what? Fi ibadi, in the group of my servants. And who are these brothers and sisters? These are all the salihin, muhsineen, and anbiyas. So Allah is inviting that nafs to enter that group. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? And then, wadkhuli, again ataf came. And udkhuli, fi'lu amrin, mabniun ala hadfi noon, fa'iluhu al-ya'u. Jannati. What is jannati? MashaAllah. Mafulun bihi wa huwa mudaf. But you did not say one thing, Sister Nanas. Mafulun bihi mansubun. Are you with me? How is it, brother? How do you write Jannah? So it is wadkhuli jannata. Why I did not put two kasar fathas? Because it is mudaf. Mudaf cannot have tanween. Wadkhuli jannata, and then make it ya mutakallim. It change into jannati. Now how do you write when you are doing grammatical analysis about jannati? We are going to learn. I don't want to give you the detail. But there is a special way of writing. There is a special method of expression in describing these situations where ya mutakallim comes. This all we will learn in book 3. But do you see here that wadkhuli jannata is a direct maf'ulun bihi. But here, fi. Here are same verbs. In one situation, we used harf jar. And in the second situation, we have direct maf'ulun bihi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So you will keep that in mind, inshallah. Now, brothers and sisters, did you like the way we did the analysis? Won't it be wonderful if we did the whole Quran like that and understood it word by word? And as I said to you, you only have to do once. Then the next time when you hear a Qari reciting beautifully, it will melt your heart. The tears of joy will come to your eyes. You know why? Because you are now hearing and understanding and feeling and tasting the eloquence and the magic of Quran. There is nothing like that in the whole wide world. Quran has got many facets of its being a miracle of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And language is one of its miracle, the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us the Quran, language-wise. It's a miracle, brothers and sisters. And you cannot feel that miracle unless we learn the language. Iqra. Brothers and sisters, Fi'lu Amr. Brother Abdul Samad, how will you describe Iqra? Fi'lu Amrin, Mabniun ala Sukun. Where is the fa'il? Damirun, Mustatirun, Taqdiruhu, Anta. Are you with me? Bismi, what is Bismi? B, harf jar. See, that Hamzatul Wasal is written. In Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, you don't write Hamzatul Wasal. But in here, it is written, Ismi. Ismun became Ismi. Bismi. B harf jar, Ismi, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, Rabbi, mudaf ilayhi, wa huwa mudaf, and ka, mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? Are you with me? Now what is this allazi? You see, allazi itself, ismul mawsula. But we have to describe it. Is it ism majroor? Is it naat? Is it fa'il? Is it maf'ulun bihi? What is it? Huh? So in this particular case, allazi is describing Rabbi. You know, how is the Rabb? What do you want to tell me about the Rabb? Allazi khalaka. Are you with me? So allazi will become your naat. Are you with me? Naat for what? Where is manut? Rabbi. So then, you know, when we do complete analysis, then you will say, allazi is majroor. What is it? Why it is majroor? Because manut is majroor. And there is a special way of expression for grammar we are going to learn later on, inshallah. And what is khalaqa? Fi'l madi. Where is the fa'il? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu. Huwa. Yadullu ala Rabbi. But before, you know, what you said is correct. But I would rather say khalaqa jumla fi'liya. Complete verbal sentence with fi'al and fa'il. It's one word, but it is a complete verbal sentence. Are you with me? So, khalaqa is a complete verbal sentence, and then we describe. Khalaqa fi'al. This is for our understanding, I'm talking about. Khalaqa fi'al, and then fa'il, mustatir, taqdiruhu huwa. Okay, then what is this jumla fi'liya doing here? Brother Muhammad?
It's a khabar.
Where is the mubtada if it is khabar? There is no mubtada here. Huh? What is it? Silatul mawsul. What is it? If the mawsula comes, Brother Muhammad, then you will have silatul mawsul. You will always have silatul mawsul. So khalaqa jumla fi'liya is silatul mawsul. Achha. And then new sentence starts. Khalaqal insana. Khalaqa fi'al. Where is the fa'il? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. What is al insana? Mafulun bihi mansub. And what is min alakin? Jar majroor. Got the idea? Huh? Are you with me? Again, ikra. وَرَبُّكَ أَكْرَمُ. Now, I don't want to go in detail, because in order to understand that sentence, we should know a little extra about hal. So, we'll leave it. All of these things we are going to repeat in our lessons, inshallah. So, two examples, alhamdulillah. I thought you are ready to understand. I'm sure you understood, brothers and sisters. Now we start our book, brothers and sisters. Lesson number 10. Ad-darsul ashiru. ذهب زكريا لزيارة حامد بعد صلاة الفجر ولكنه ما وجده في البيت فقال لابنه موسى أين أبوك. Are you with me? I'm sure you can translate it. Sister Hafza, can you translate it? ذهب زكريا لزيارة حامد. It does not say friend. You've got to be careful when you translate. If you say he went to visit his friend, there's no friend here. He went to visit Hamid. Are you with me? You will try to translate precisely. بعد صلاة الفجر ولكنه but he ما وجده He did not find it. He did not find him. Fil bayti, in the house. Faqala, so he said, libnihi, to his son, Musa, Aina abuka. Where is your father? Are you with me? Inshallah, all of you will be able to do it. Huh? Okay, brother? Zahaba Zakaria. Zahaba is the fi'al. Where is the file? Zakaria. Huh? Zakaria is your file. Li Ziyarati Ism Majrur. Wahuwa Mudaf and Hamidin Mudaf ilayhi. Ba'da Zarf. Salati Mudaf ilayhi. Wahuwa Mudaf and Fajri Mudaf ilayhi. Waw Ataf. Lakinna min akhwatu inna. Who ismu lakinna mansubun. And now where is the khabar lakinna? Ma wajadahu. Where is the khabar lakinna? Ma wajadahu. What is that ma wajadahu? Jumla failure. Ma is a harfu nafi. Wajada is fail. Where is the file of wajada? No, brother. Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Yadullu ala Zakaria. Who is your mafulun bihi? Fil bayt jar majrur. Faqala. Ataf. What is qala? Fi'al. Where is the file? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Yadullu ala Zakaria. Okay. Libnihi. How many words are there? Libnihi, 3. Li harf jar, ibni ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and hum mudaf ilayhi. And what is this Musa doing here, sister Sumayya? What is this Musa doing here? Okay. Badal, mashallah, badal. Badal for ibni. Are you with me? Did you get it? Sister Maimuna, did you feel that way? Badal, you got that way? You could feel it. Musa is badal for libni. Right. Aina abuka. What is the answer? Musa. Zahaba ila suki. Zahaba fi'al, fa'il mustatir. Ila suki, jar majrur. Now, for the first time, officially, we are getting fi'al mudariya. And you will see the beauty of this dialogue. The yazhabu in different forms of pronoun as a file coming to us in the dialogue, brother. Yazhabu ila suki kulla yawmin. What is the meaning of kulla yawmin? Every day. Every day, kulla yawmin. Yazhabu. What is it, brothers and sisters? Fi'lun mudari'un. Now you will say marfu'un. Is it marfu? How is it marfu? Marfu'un bidamma. Do you see damma there? So it is marfu now. Remember, fi'l mudari'a is not mabni. Fi'l amr is mabni. Fi'l madi is mabni. But fi'l mudari'a has got 3 moods. Marfu, mansub and majzum. So yadhabu fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma. Now, brother and sister, I have said it for the first time today. And you are going to hear it thousands of times. Till it will come out of your ears, you know. Kulla. What is kulla, brother and sister? It's mansub. What is kulla? See, yawmin is actually the zarf. Are you with me? Yawmin tells you the time. Now, yawmin is mudaf ilayhi. Kulla has taken the place of zarf now. Zarf. So, kulla is zarf. Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? No, most of the time, zarf you will find them mansub. And we are going to describe them. So, kulla yawmin, kulla is here zarf. Again, we are going to learn that later on we are going to call it naib and zarf. It is deputizing the zarf, but there is no need for that now. We are going to learn later on, inshallah. All these things are easy. When you will come to that lesson in book 3, you will love it. And you will find it very easy, inshallah. Kulla is your zarf. What will you call it? Zarf. And huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Watch for the zarf, okay? Okay. Naam. Yadhabu da'iman. What is da'iman? Zarf. Again zarf. You know, what is the meaning of da'iman? Always. So what does always refer to? Time. It refers to, are you with me, Brother Hassan? So it is again zarf. Zarfu zaman. Ila suki ba'da salatil fajri. Is it clear, brother and sister? Fine. So whenever there is a verb, you will say the file is, describe the file. And in this case, the file is mustatir. Yadhabu fi'lu mudari'un marfun bi damma. File mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Okay? Zakaria, look at this question. Mata yarji'u minas suki. Yarji'u. What is the madi? Raja. Yarji'u. Bab daraba. Okay? What is the meaning of yarji'u? He returns. Mata yarji'u minas suki. When does he return from the market? Okay? So yarji'u fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma. File mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Yarji'u fi sa'ati sabi'ati. He returns at 7 o'clock. Wa ahyanan fi sa'ati thaminati. What is the meaning of ahyanan? Sometimes. Always da'iman. Ahyanan, sometimes. What is ahyanan? Zarf again, zarfu zaman. Yarji'u fi'lun mudari'un marfun bidamma fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu huwa. Okay, brothers and sisters, what is the translation? Yarji'u fi sa'ati sabi'ati wa ahyanan fi sa'ati thaminati. He returns at 7 o'clock and sometimes at 8 o'clock. Fine. Fa'ala yafa'alu. Brothers and sisters, fa'ala, new verb, to do. Yaf'alu, he does. Yaf'alu, ba fataha. Fa'ala yaf'alu. Mada yaf'alu fil bayt. What is the translation? Exactly. See, Mada yaf'alu fil bayt. What does he do at home? Yaf'alu fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma fa'il mustatir taqdiruhu huwa. Okay, yakra'u. What qara'a? Yakra'u. What bab is this? Qara'a? Bab fataha. Qara'a yakra'u. Brother, now you are reading which is a complete sentences, beautiful sentences. It is different from hadha kitabun. Are you with me? These are sentences with beautiful verbs and meaning. Yakra'u suhufa. Yakra'u suhufa. Yakra'u fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma. Fa'il mustatir. Taqdiru huwa. What is suhufa? Because yakra'u, he reads. Reads what? Suhufa. Newspapers. Wa yasma'u samiya. Yasma'u bab samiya. Yasma'u fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma. Fa'iluhu mustatir taqdiruhu huwa. Yasma'u, he listens. Listens what? Al-akhbara. Maf'ulun bihi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, you should understand everything, inshallah. And it's easy. I want to hear from you, brothers and sisters, that it is easy. Inshallah. And it is enjoyable, inshallah. And it is halwa puri, inshallah. Okay. Minal idha'ati. What is it? Minal idha'ati, from radio station. Jar majroor. Fine. Mata yadhabu ilal masna'i. What is masna'i? factory. It is coming from sana'a, to manufacture, to make. Sana'a yasna'u. And this is masna'i, okay, brother and sister, factory. We are going to learn in book 3 how these nouns are made later on, inshallah. Okay. What is the translation, brother Abdul Samad? When does he go to the factory? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Yadhabu. What is the meaning of yadhabu? He goes, okay. Fisati tasiyati. 1 nisfi. What time does he go? 9:30. He goes to the factory, 9:30. Mata yarjiu min hunaka. Brothers and sisters? Does he return from there? When does he return from there? Are you with me, Brother Muhammad?
And when does he? Yes.
Yes, and when does he return from there? Waw is ataf. Mata is a zarf here. Mata is zarf here. Yarjiu, fi'lun mudari'un, marfu'un bidamma, fa'iluhu, mustatir, taqdiruhu, huwa. And min hunaka. Min is harfjar, hunaka is ism majrur. But hunaka is a zarf here. Yarji'u, he returns. Sa'atid wahidati. 1 nisfi. What is the meaning of that? 1:30. At 1:30. Aw athaniyati. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Yadhabu ila masna'i maratan ukhra ba'da zuhri. Does he go one more time? Maratan ukhra mean once again. After Zohar, does he go to the factory again after Zohar? What is the answer? La. La yazhabu ba'da zuhri. He does not go after Zohar. What he does? Yajlisu huna fi maktabihi ba'da salatil asri. He sits here in his office. Fi maktabihi. How many words are there? Fi maktabihi. 3 words. Fi harfjar, maktabi, ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we are going to learn something more. When you negate madi, normally you use ma. When you negate mudariya, you use la. We are going to learn. All of these things will come. See, right now we have knowledge, but little knowledge.
That's what we did before.
Yeah. So when we were using past tense, we negated it by using ma. When you use present tense, you negate it by la. La yadhabu ba'da zuhri. Yajlisu huna fi maktabihi ba'da salatil asri. Kam amilan ya'malu fi masna'ikum. Kam amilan. Amilan. No. Yeah, of course it is tamiz. It is come has come. It is tamiz. But what is amilan? It is tamiz. But what is amilun? Brother and sister, we must learn slowly how to make ismu fa'il. I told you once before, kataba, make ism fa'il, katibun. Dakhala, dakhilun. Shariba, sharibun. Daraba, daribun. Nasara, nasirun. Amila, amilun. Amila means to do something. So amilun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Amilun is your, like, doer. Amila is to work. And how will you make in English ism fa'il? Worker. By just putting er. And here we have a pattern. Fa'ilun. That is the pattern. Okay. So when you do your conjugation, on the bottom right hand corner it says ismu fa'il. So you'll make ismu fa'il also. For example, gasala. What is the ismu fa'il? Gasilun. Dhahaba. Zahibun, Raja'a, Raji'un, Fataha, Fatihun. You will be writing it. Samiya, Samiun, Fahima, Fahimun. You will be writing it. Inshallah. Okay. You are right, Sister Manas. Amilan is tamiz. Come, Amilan, Ya'malu. What is the meaning of Ya'malu? Work. Present tense. What is the Madi? Amila. These are all the verbs in your handout, page 6. Amila is Bab Samiya. Amila Ya'malu. Brothers and sisters, if you see in the Madi, Ain Kalima Kasra, 99.9% it will become Fatah in Mudariya. You just close your eyes and do it. I give you an example, brothers and sisters. Fahima. Make it Mudariya. Yafhamu. Khalas. Samiya. Shariba. Amila. Ya'malu. The Mudariya, it will change into Fatah. If it is in Kasra, in Madi, remember that little poetry? Dammo dammin, Kasro fathin. The Kasra will change into Fatah. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Fi masna'ikum. How many words are there? 3. Fi harf jar, masna'i, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and kum mudaf ilayh. Masnauna. Laisa bi kabir. Masnauna. What is this masnauna? How many words are there? What are they? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. When the pronoun joins a noun, you get mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Masnauna. Masnau mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf. And na mudaf ilayh. Where is the khabar of masnauna? Jumla fi'liya. What is it, brother? Jumla fi'l. Laysa. What is laysa? Fi'lun, nakisun, jamidun. Aina ismu laysa? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa yadullu ala masna. It goes to the masna. And where is khabar laysa? Bi kabirin. Are you with me? Fine. Now you will say, if you were to analyze it and write it, then you will say al-jumlatul fi'liyatu khabar masna'u. Are you with me? It will be the khabar of masna'u. Fine. Ya'malu. Okay, brothers and sisters. Ya'malu. Amila ya'malu. Ya'malu fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bi damma. Where is the file, brother? Fihi. Read the whole sentence, Brother Abdul Samad, before you come to the conclusion. Fihi. Brother, what is fihi? Jar majrur. Can jar majrur be file? No way, no. File has to be marfu. What do you see marfu? Miyatun. Are you with me? Miyatun. Miyatun is your file because it is marfu. And then, brother, wa khamsatun. What is khamsatun? Mawtufun ala miyatun. Wa ishruna. Mawtufun ala miyatun. Now do you see miyatun marfu? Khamsatun marfu? Is ishruna marfu? Yes. What is the sign of its marfu? Wow, mashallah, mashallah. You'll remember this, mashallah. Amilan. What is amilan, brother? Tamiz. Brother, numbers are coming. Are you with me? From 11 to 99. 11 to 99, the Ma'dud will come as a Tamiz. But you will say this is 125. No, brother. Miyatun, 100. And then Waw come. And 5 and 20. Now you got to have a Tamiz. Are you with me? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Why did a Tamiz come? Because we are talking about numbers. Miyatun is 100. And Khamsatun means 5. and Ishrun means 20. And then you got to have a tamiz. Because if you don't use tamiz, then what is the meaning of 125? Ya'malu fihi, working there in the factory. 125. Who are 125? Are they horses? Are they camels? Donkeys? Who are working there? Are you with me? Now you got to bring tamiz to make it clear. One of you asked me, what is tamiz? And I told you tamiz is a noun which is brought to remove ambiguity. If I tell you in the Ishruna, brother, what is Ishruna? You got 20, what do I have 20? Do I have 20 burtukalan? I have 20 oranges? Or shall I say sayaratan? I got 20 cars. Or baitan? Shall I say 20 houses? I will say in the Ishruna dolaran. I have $20. Are you with me? So then you bring in the tamiz to remove ambiguity and make things clear. Very good, brothers and sisters. We are going to learn. Wa muhandisani. What is muhandisani? Engineers. Brother, I know it is engineers. But what is it doing here? Badal? Watch carefully. Ya'malu fihi mi'atun. Fa'il. Waw. Ataf. Khamsatun. Ma'tufun ala. Mi'atun. Waw. Ataf. Ishruna. Ma'tufun ala. Wa muhandisani. Ma'tufun ala. Mi'atun. Are you with me? It is very clear. So muhandisani, okay, look at me very carefully, brother. Miyatun, I can see dhamma there. Khamsatun, I can see dhamma there. And file has to be marfu. Where is the shruna? Is it marfu? What is the sign of it? Wow. Muhandisani, is it marfu? What is the sign of it? Alif. You got the idea? So all of them are marfu and they are ma'tufun ala mi'atun. Sahih? Inshallah. Very good. Zakaria is getting impatient. We are also getting impatient. Tea time. Zakaria is saying, Asatu al-ana tasiyatu illa rub'an. The time now is 8:45. He was supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. Maybe sometimes he's late and he comes at 8 o'clock. But now, asatu al-ana, the time now is at-tasiyatu illa rub'an. Are you with me, brother and sister? It's 8:45. Wama raja'a, see brother Muhammad, ma raja'a. What is raja'a? Madi. And you used ma. Wama raja'a abuka. Raja'a fi'lun madin. Where is the file? Abu masha'Allah. Wa huwa mudaf. And kama. What is the sign of Abu being marfu? Wow. Wow, this is special. Wow is the sign of marfu. When Abu and Akhu, and later on more will come. Are you with me? Are you listening, brothers and sisters? Listen to me carefully. Abu and Akhun, brothers and sisters, I am revising this. Abun and Akhun. Al-Abu, Al-Akhu. Are you with me? Now if Abun and Akhun come as a mudaf, are you with me? Then it cannot be like this. I cannot write this Abuka. Here I am writing Abu like this, but I cannot write like that. I have to write like Abuka. So what is this waw doing here? That is the sign of its being marfu. Abuka. Whenever Abu Muhammadin, how will I write down Abu Muhammadin? I cannot write like this. No, that is wrong. I have to write down like, are you with me? Abu Muhammadin. Remember, we did it in book 1. So far we have learned only 2. Abu and Akhun. We are going to learn 3 more later on. Maybe sometimes scholars say there are 6. They are called Asma'ul Khamsa. What are they called? Asma'ul Khamsa. What is the meaning of Asma'ul Khamsa? 5 nouns. 5 nouns. They have a special spelling rules. Only when they become mudaf. Only when they become mudaf. Okay, fine, brothers and sisters. What is the last sentence, Musa? La'allahu, what is la'alla? Min akhwatu inna. Okay, and then who, what is who? Ismu la'alla mansubun. Where is the khabar la'alla? Yarji'u, that means it's a fi'l, jumla, failure. Fine, brother. La'allahu yarji'u al-yawma. What is al-yawma? Zarf. Yarji'u fi'lun mudari'un marfu'un bidamma. Where is the file? Aina fa'iluhu? Mustatirun. Taqdiruhu huwa. Fine, brothers and sisters. Al-yawma zarf. What is mutaakhiran? It's mansub. What is it? Maf'ulun mutlaq. We have learned. We haven't learned, but we can feel. Is it maf'ulun bihi? Is it tamiz? No. What is it, brother and sister? Hal kaisa hai janab ka? Kya khayal hai aapka? So what is this mutaakhiran? Hal. In what condition he will return today? Late. Are you with me? So slowly you will be able to figure out. Yarjiu. Okay. Zahabtu ila al-masjid al-yawma mubakkiran. Translate, brother. Zahabtu ila al-masjidi mubakkiran. Early. I can say, Zahabtu ila al-madrasati mutaakhiran. Late. In what condition I went? Late. So this is called Hal kaisa hai janab ka. Are you with me? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So here, la'allahu, who is ismu la'alla mansub, yarjiu, fi'alun mudari'un, marfu'un bidamma, fa'il mustatir, taqdiru huwa, al-yawma, zarf, mutaakhiran, ha. Are you with me? You can say also, Hal kaisa hai. Okay, fine, brothers and sisters. Okay, so then you will say Jumla Failiya, coming as a khabar for La'alla. Brother, we are late 40 today. Let us enjoy, inshallah. Brothers, we are back from our tea and snacks. Sister Arifa, Jazakillahu khairan for treating everybody with your delicious baklavas. May Allah bless you. I think everybody enjoyed it. Alhamdulillah. 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 Brothers and sisters, I just thought I mentioned this to you. Remember in the test paper, there's a lot of analysis. Don't jump to it. Revise everything and then do it. Inna. Brothers and sisters, what is inna? Harfu tawqeed wa nasbin. See, nasbin. Fine. And we need ismu inna. Ismu inna has to be a noun or a pronoun. Jar majroor cannot be ismu inna. So here comes fi. What is fi? Harf jar. What is khalqi? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf. And samawati mudaf ilayhi. Then waw comes ataf. And what is ard? Mawtufun ala samawati. Are you with me, brother Abdul Samad? Brother Hassan? Mawtufun ala samawati. Again waw came. Wakhtilafi. In the difference. In the separation. In the rotation. Wakhtilafi. Waw came. Ikhtilafi is mawtufun ala khalqi. Wa huwa mudaf. And layli mudaf ilayhi. And then what is waw? Ataf. And then nahari mawtufun ala layli. Brother, where is? I said inna harfu tawqid wa nasbin. Where is ismu inna? Where is ismu inna? What is ismu inna? It has to be mansoob. What do you see mansoob? Ayatin. And then lam came. Lam muzalik. The skating lam. Remember? Lam is also for tawqid. See how much emphasis is there. This lam, when inna comes, it goes away. Inna pushes it. Go. Remember? Innal insana lafi. Okay?